How to download Amazon Shopping app on iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to download Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now tap on search bar and search for Amazon Shopping app. Now click on the second option where you can see the icon for Amazon. Tap on it. Now click on Get. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It might vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, Amazon app has been installed on our device. Just tap on open. And that's it guys. That's how we're going to download Amazon Shopping app on our iPhone device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next